Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial, how to install Zabbix Server 7.4 on AlmaLinux 8 server. Operating system AlmaLinux 8, server IP address. This is IP address. This is for resource. PHP version must be 8.0 and MySQL must be 8.0. Now I am checking server version and IP address using this command. This is release 8.10 and this is my server IP address. Step 1, install Zabbix 7.4. should be your server update using dnf upgrade command. Upgrade done. Now download Zabbix repo 7.4 repo, then run clean all and switch to PHP version 8.2 and then install Zabbix server MySQL, Zabbix web MySQL, Zabbix nginx conf. I am using web as a nginx, Zabbix SQL script, Zabbix AC Linux policy, Zabbix agent. Press Y. Now run this script. Zabbix package script installation done. Step 2, install MySQL database and configure root password. Run this command for install database server. Now start MySQL database service, MySQL D, and then enable MySQL D service. And then check status. 8 seconds ago, active running. Now I am logging to MySQL terminal for reset MySQL root password. Default password is blank. After login, then run this command for reset MySQL password flash privilege and then exit. Again login MySQL terminal for create database for Zabbix user. This is then exit. Okay, successfully created database. Step 4, import Zabbix default database using this command and then type Zabbix user password Zabbix@123. This is the password. Press enter and wait at least 1 to 5 minutes for import default database into your system. Database import done. Now again login MySQL terminal for disable login trust function options after import database schema, and then login MySQL terminal using root password. This is root password and then run this command function equal to 0. Okay. Step 5, add database name, user and password into Zabbix server conf file. Now I am going to server conf file and scroll down. I see default DB name is Zabbix, default user is Zabbix, but I am created database is different, so I am copy all text and then comment. This is default section and all text paste here, and then save and exit. Step 6, set up Nginx web server. Open Nginx configuration file and then remove port 80 and server name as your IP address or your domain name. Remove hash from port, server name. This is IP address or your server domain name, and server port is 80 web port. Done. Now step 7, restart and enable all services. This is restart command and this is service enable command. Okay. Step 8, firewall settings. Firewall settings, this is important part, AcLinux and firewalls. First I am start firewall D and then enable for web port 8443 for HTTPS and 10050. This is Zabbix data get sender IP, read sender port 10051. This is data receiver port, firewall CMD reload, and next is AcLinux. AcLinux should be disabled. Going to enforce and then disabled, save and exit. Then reboot must be, otherwise your AcLinux policy not working. After reboot done, now I am access your server IP address and complete web installation process. This is my server IP address and welcome Zabbix 7.4. Click next step, check off prerequisites. If you see any error from here, so you cannot proceed next step. It should be all status is green mark and OK. Is required version is 8.0, but I am installed 8.2. Next step, configure database connection. This is 3 is important part: database name, database user, and database user password. User password, that means my created user password. Copy and paste here. Click next step, server name. You can type any name here, input box. Pre-installation summary. Next step, done. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend configuration file. Save into etc Zabbix web zabbix.conf.php file created. Finish. After successfully done web installation, then log into dashboard. Login username admin A must be capital A, and password is Zabbix admin, and password is Zabbix. Copy and paste here. Okay, this is Zabbix default dashboard. You can edit from here. This is my server memory utilization. Zabbix server is running. You can find more tutorial from my YouTube channel for media type configuration, how to add host, create trigger for email notification, server monitoring, see latest data, everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.